So once you verify your Kraken identity, you will be prompted to this page where you can start your career on Kraken. And first thing, of course, is that we need to deposit money, fiat currency. For that, we need to go to funding. And when you go to funding, here you will see deposit, press on deposit, and choose currency that you want to deposit. And then Kraken will let you know what are the options to deposit money. In my opinion, it was bank transfer. Yes, you need to make bank transfer and you need to wait a few days until this bank transfer is reflected on your account. Kraken will also let you know what to put on the note description on your transfer from the bank account that you use for authorization. And yeah, you will need to wait 2 or 3 days from now in order to get your money on Kraken account. And then you can withdraw easier to that bank account after with the same motion. Funding, withdraw. Now, easiest way to buy some asset on Kraken is to choose the crypto that you want from the drop down menu or from the search. For example, let's say ADA, and you will see ADA USD pair. The first pair is here. We got it. We press trade. For example, we want to buy Cardano, and then you indicate how much Cardano do you want to buy or sell. Here you can switch between buy and sell. For example, we want to buy Cardano, and the limit. What does limit mean? Limit means the price that you want to buy it. Maybe you don't want to sit all day long in front of computer waiting for some price, then you can buy with limit price. Price indicate here the price that you want to buy, and then the order will be created as soon as the ADA price will hit that price that you want to buy it for. The order will be activated and Kraken will buy for you for that price ADA. Or if you want to buy right now and you don't want to come back to Kraken, you buy in whole, make sure that you press market price. Market price will calculate the price for 100 ADA with current price. Press buy ADA, and voila, you already got some ADA on your account. It's very simple to buy or sell cryptos like this on the Kraken. There is also some advanced options if you are looking for more sophisticated version to buy your assets. Go to advanced, and what do we have here? On advanced is if you have seen my video about how to buy crypto, you know that Kraken is not best platform for trading on margin, but you still can trade. It's a bit complicated, but you can still trade. I only recommend to trade on margin once you familiarize with yourself what margin trade really is. And I plan to do some video about that. You need to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell not to miss this video. But for now, the simplest way how margin trades here work. But yeah, don't do it if you are a beginner. It's risky. I'll talk a lot about some trades to safety, how to save your position, how to save your money with trading before you jump into margin trade. Because lots of people lose their money because they don't know what they are doing. I have not lost my money with margin trading because when I started doing it, I knew what I was doing. But here we go, leverage. On ADA, we just have leverage 3. You can just 3 leverage, is not that much, you know. As I'm planning to create a separate video on margin trading, I will not talk a lot about this, but here you can indicate margin trading 3. Margin trading means that basically Kraken borrows you some money and you believe that market price will go this and that direction. It's a little bit like a gambling, but difference between gambling and margin trading is huge, that you have here the possibility to place stop loss or take profit orders. This is also one option here in advanced trading which we got. For example, for the purposes of this video, I will indicate that I don't want margin trading, none. It means that you are buying with your own assets and you don't have any risk for liquidation of your portfolio. So no matter where price goes, you will not be liquidated. You will just be holding these assets. Start now. You can indicate when do you want this order to be started, and then you indicate volume again. We already talked about market and limit orders. Limit is price that you pick for buying, and the market is the price what is right now. And yeah, here is another type of orders. Stop loss is, for example, if you are trading margin or if you are trading with your own assets, and if price goes another direction and if your assets are devaluating, you can put here stop loss order, which will be triggered at some point of the price. For example, if you want to just be here with 20% of the price loss, right? You buy ADA for market price, which is right now 2.15, let's say. But if the ADA price goes below 2.1, you just don't want to lose any more your money and you just want to stop this loss. The Kraken know that they are able to sell all your ADA for that price. Well, with this order, knowing that your asset won't be devaluated more than 20%. On the other hand, take into account that crypto assets are quite volatile assets. It can come down and go up pretty quickly, and stop losses, do you really need them? If you are a hodler, you probably probably don't. We hodlers believe that price is gonna up, especially 2021 now. We really believe that price is gonna be way higher. Hodlers don't put stop losses. But anyways, if you don't want to bear risk, you can put stop loss. But for example, yesterday ADA price came back up again 20%. So you may guess the direction of the market, but stop loss may just close earlier position, and then later you will realize that your positions were closed, market price are higher, but your positions are closed. So think carefully about your stop loss. Think if you need it. If you need it, here is the option. You can put stop loss and then you indicate stop price. So if ADA price comes at 2.1, then you want Kraken to sell all of your ADAs here at this price and sell ADA, an order will be activated as soon as your price will go to 2.1. That's what it means with take profit. So if you want to take profit on your investment at some point of the price, for example, when ADA will hit 2.2 or 2.5 or maybe 10, whatever you want, you can just indicate volume that you want to sell for price 10, and the Kraken will automatically activate this order as soon as your price target is met. And the others are quite similar, but I don't use them, so you probably won't need to use them. Stop loss, take profit, that's it. And there is one option here, conditional close. Conditional close means if I buy the same as stop loss and take profit, you can just create within one order the same. I buy here ADA with the market price, the current price, and then I need to close it by taking profit or by stop loss. It's the same thing that we talked right now. Yeah, it's as simple as this. And then you can pick the Fiat currency, then buy ADA with USD, and that's it. If you want to, if you are really sure, you can also margin trade. But margin trade involves risks with liquidation. In that case, Kraken borrows you money, and you need to give Kraken back the money. If you are margin trading, it's very important to secure your position by stop loss or take profit. The bad thing about Kraken here is that it's why it's not suitable for trading. Okay, maybe you want to trade just leverage 3, you don't want more leverage, you can use Kraken. I have used Kraken for margin trading, but it was not convenient for me for one reason. Even though if I, for example, I buy ADA with margin trading 3, and I buy 1,000 ADA for it or whatever it is, and then I post take profit, I also want to post maybe stop loss, both take profit and stop loss, and the Kraken does not allow me to post both orders. That's one drawback, which is not drawback of Bybit. I will post Bybit trading tutorials for experienced traders, for margin traders. Subscribe and press notification bell if you want to learn about that. So that's one drawback. Some more user-friendly platforms there who charge more fees because they are more user-friendly. Even if you buy assets without margin trading, you can see plus, how much you are in plus or how much you are in minus in comparison of the price that you bought it for. And it took me for a while to get used to the fact that Kraken does not show you your plus or minus. For example, if you buy some asset, Bitcoin, yeah, it will show you how much your Bitcoin is worth in US dollar now, but it won't show you how much your profit is in that. So you are just buying it and holding it. It's best platform for holding it. It's platform for it's a normal platform for practicing your trading, but involves in manual work. But for trading, it's really hard. And for user-friendly, more or less, it's very easy to buy assets, but for monitoring your assets, profit and loss, no. For hodlers, it's good, in short. So yeah, that was it for today's video. If you have any questions regarding Kraken, you can also ask me down in the comments. I will try to reply to you. And for hodling and for buying assets, it's easy, for sure, go for it. Bye for now.